One. Hey guys, this is the Real Cody again, coming at you with another white noise video. And my good friend here, Ryan Cole, keeps on saying, "Oh my god."
Oh my god. Wait, I thought I was your best friend. I've been downgraded.
You are my best friend. So we're gonna start the game.
Hey Cody, guess what?
We're gonna play on Bunker what? Ah, my eyes.
I think they saw that on the video.
Oh, really hope they didn't.
With the flash.
Yeah. What the?
They did.
Alright, so we're gonna
be the invisible guy.
I'm gonna be the invisible guy.
Why not?
Okay, after the video I will play as him. Okay, so we're gonna play as...
You're always Genie. Dude,
so which way?
It's snowing.
No, it's not. It's the pixels. I don't know what they are.
It's snow.
So,
it's snowing inside, and I want.
We spawned in the same area. Fuck.
We should give Timmy a hug.
No, I'm not giving Timmy a hug.
At the end of the video.
Right, guys. Once we say switch, me and Ryan, we're gonna switch the control since it's only a one-player game.
Timmy.
Okay, well, I know what the tape is.
Only if you can customize what Timmy looks like.
I'll make him look like this huge blue person who says, "Hey, little kids."
Oh my god.
You'll probably do something else.
I'll probably make it look like my brother.
Okay. How much? No, that's a tape. That's a tape. Yeah.
The sign that you're near me. All I hear is.
Oh God! 1 out of 8. 1 out of 8. Ah!
Oh my god.
Alright. Switch.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
What the? Oh my God! It's right there!
Hey, remember what your sister said.
Shut up! It's right there! Did you not see him? Oh. Where you go?
Now watch he's right there.
Oh, dude, I was so in the game. I would literally never play this game again. Okay, we're winning. We're winning.
I better move my legs before I
kick it and knock down the phone. Yes. And I do not want the video to get ruined, but I'll be.
I don't want to be like PewDiePie.
Oh yeah, another shout out to PewDiePie. Since you said that, another shout out. Oh, dude, dude.
Switch.
Oh, I hate you so much.
He's right there.
Oh. Alright. Oh, we only found one. We're doing good. No, dude, you keep saying that song, I'm gonna go la 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 all over you. Oh, hey. Oh, I know what that is.
Dude, last time we played this, he was right there.
Yeah. And then the game, like, literally ended. Like, ended.
Right when I saw him. I tried to give him a hug. Wanna know what it sounds like with the whammy bar?
What? Oh, no. Oh, no.
Run.
No, I have to go back. This boy.
You can't catch me.
Don't. Okay, you're gonna. You're creeping me out. Oh! What was he? What was he? What was he? What was he?
Shush.
Why?
I accidentally kicked the table. Well, I think I had to quit right in the middle of Slenderman. I saw him, I took off.
I don't know.
From the computer.
Dude, there's a tape here. I know there's a tape here. All the gameplays I've been doing, there's always been a tape here. What the? Okay, we're winning.
Dude, I cannot believe I just kicked the table.
You kicked the table? I'm shocked my phone didn't fall.
Surprised you haven't said switch yet.
Oh. It's good, you're not gonna play this game now.
Fine then. Because I don't know how to
switch.
Damn. Let's go! Wait, I can't see. Oh yeah. I stopped. I had to stop running. I just thought that was him.
Oh, dude. Man, you're gonna enjoy this.
Alright, let's go. Why is there a bunker?
I don't know, but there has to be a tape. Yeah, there's a tape though. No, actually. Never mind, tricked you.
Dang it.
I hear it though.
And I want to give myself a hug. Hey, there's an alien on the floor. I've never seen that before.
Look for a tape. You know what they look like, right?
I think so.
There's always been a tape here. This is not a good game.
Bad graphics.
Oh, the graphics are pretty good.
Only if they had... You know, I heard that they're making Slender...
Oh, green! Don't look at that,
What
you
is
fool!
it? What is it?
It's a spawner. The green thing. Oh! Ooh! We're heading this way. We're heading this way. We're going this way. Oh, God!
Cody, stop streaming.
I'm actually kind of shocked you actually knew where to go.
Can I give him a hug?
He's right there. No, don't give him a hug. Look away from him.
Please?
No!
Please?
No!
What?
He's gonna kill you!
So?
Timmy's not that nice. Timmy is not a nice guy.
He looks like he can protect you in a fight.
Yeah, okay, you wish.
After you die.
Yeah, after you die. Oh crap. Oh my god. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm shocked you haven't say switched. I'm literally shocked. Don't you dare say it. Don't you dare say it.
Wait, talk about no one playing.
Oh, his
Switch.
phone is right there. No, oh, dang it. Screw you. Screw you so much.
He's up there.
Oh, I know it. Oh, don't. Oh, yeah, I'm going to turn on this gun. I'm going to scream like a little girl. I'm going to scream.
Stream like a man. Cody. Dude, you're at the wall.
Oh, what the?
He's right there. You just went from over there. Your sister said not to stream. Because she's trying to get some sleep.
Shit, okay. Do you not know what time it is? It's not even 7 yet. And plus
It is 7.
And plus we haven't even ate dinner yet. Okay.
Rolling up in my sitch. Fuck. I forgot the rest.
I only know. Oh man, we're gonna die.
I mean, you gonna die?
Tape.
And Timmy.
Timmy is okay. 2 tapes, guys. We got this. Post up, son. Post up. Man, we got this, man. We're going street style. And we're good.
I wish you have a gun on this so you could just shoot the rocket and it explodes and the game ends like that.
Nah, that would be a good ending. But you know, Timmy has to kill us before we do that. Well, you know, I never know what happens, so I've been trying to beat this game.
What, if he kills you?
Yeah.
Then let me give him a hug.
No, I don't not know what happens if you beat this game. That's what I'm saying.
You'll still die?
I don't know. Have you played one of those online? No. This is your first time.
I'll beat Slenderman.
Slenderman, yes, he still kills you. That's Slenderman right there. No, we're just gonna keep walking straight, okay?
I just thought that was him.
I know, I'm fixing the guy behind me! Okay.
You're gonna get it.
Yeah, I hate you so much. Scare me again, see what happens. I'll hit you this. Wait. What the? But we've been there.
We went in a circle.
What the?
Oh, I hate this part.
Oh, I really do. I really hate when you go in circles.
No, when the lights are flickering like that.
That lion.
It's like I see is bah!
Yeah, I know.
If that happens, I'm going through your door. That looks like a creep. That looks like a...
Switch. Why are you not moving? Switch. Okay. One, his boner's right there. Don't stop. Don't look at it.
Sorry. But I want to give him a hug.
Okay, fine. You can give him a hug since we need to end the video. Yay! What the?
I give Timmy a hug.
Ryanco gives Timmy a hug. That's gonna be the video's name. We only found 2. Great. In memory of me.
No memory of me.
Yeah, no.
Well, both.
No, Ryan.
Streams.
Oh, I screamed way more than that. I didn't scream that once. I don't even want to watch the replay. Alright, guys. I'm gonna have to end the video. Stay tuned for the WWE.
And then extension.
Yeah. Well, Ryan wants to do another.
How do you like
extension
my
mode.
background?
You had to do that?
Yeah.
You really did? Well, bye, guys.